Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix if TikTok keeps on crashing. So when you're trying to open the app and TikTok just keeps on crashing, or when you're currently scrolling on the app and it just keeps on crashing after a few minutes, then in this video I've compiled a short list of ways in order to fix this. I'm going to start with some easier fixes and we're going to work our way up to some more internal fixes. So it's really important that you stick to the end to make sure that you don't basically miss any of the important fixes. Now, fix number one is going to be really easy, like I said, but what you need to make sure to do is that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. If you don't have Wi-Fi enabled, TikTok will not open at all, or it will not load any videos. And if you have a really slow Wi-Fi connection, then this could also cause issues with TikTok not opening or loading videos. So make sure that you have a proper Wi-Fi connection. Alright, so once you've made sure that you have that, what you can also try and do for the second fix is I would just recommend quickly updating your app to the latest version. By doing this, you'll basically completely refresh the entire app and will also fix some bugs within the app, so just make sure to update it to the latest version. Now, if that still did not fix your issue, then there might be basically a problem with the TikTok servers. There's nothing you can do about this. However, what you do want to make sure to do is just see if their servers are basically down. So if they are, just go to this website called Down Detector to check it. Type in TikTok in the search bar. And all we need to do is make sure that these servers are not down. If they are, it will basically say it right here and it will show a big spike. Currently no big spikes at all, meaning the servers are not down. If they are down, just wait a few hours and it should automatically be resolved. Now, if it's still not working, what you can also do is clear the cache over on the TikTok app. There are two ways to do this basically. The first one is simply opening the app just like this. Once you've opened the app, if that's even possible, go to the top right, then click on Settings and Privacy. Then all you need to do is click on Free Up Space and click on Clear Cache and click on Clear Cache. And basically once you've done that, you should be good to go. Now, if basically the entire app is not even opening, then what you want to do in order to clear the cache is head over to Settings, scroll down to General. Then what you need to do is click on iPhone storage. Then what you need to do is scroll down again till you find TikTok right here. Click on Offload App, wait a few seconds and then reinstall it back again using this page. And you will basically have cleared the cache over on the TikTok app. Now on Android, in order to clear the cache for the TikTok app, what you simply need to do is go and head over into search, type in TikTok just like this, and then you should see a button called Clear Cache, and once you've clicked on that, you're also good to go. Now, if it's still not working, you can basically also try to restart your entire phone. In order to do this on iPhone, I would recommend going for a forced restart in order to ensure that your entire phone basically restarts. To do this, quickly press the volume up button, then quickly press the volume down button, and then press and hold the power button basically till your entire screen goes dark. However, you want to keep on holding till that Apple logo appears again, and once that Apple logo has appeared, just let go, and basically your phone will restart and you should be good to go, and you can now check if basically the app works again. If it still does not work, what you can also try and do is simply reinstalling the app. Keep in mind that when you do this, all of your documents and data will be removed, so either back them up or just go with it. But basically by reinstalling the app, by holding down it over on your home screen, clicking on Remove App and reinstalling it back again using the App Store, it will fix 99% of all the issues you are having with a certain app, including if apps keep on crashing, such as TikTok. So yeah, I would recommend doing that to see if it's working. However, if it's still not working, then I have one last thing basically left for you. That's going into Settings, just like this, scrolling down to General. Then all you need to do is scroll down again to transfer or reset iPhone. Click on Reset and click on Reset All Settings. By basically doing this, you will not completely reset your entire phone. However, it will basically reset to the default settings, but all your apps and everything will still be there, so don't worry about that. And by doing that, it will fix some important issues most of the time, including with apps not working and all those kind of things. So I'll definitely recommend checking that out. If none of the other fixes, fix it for you. And yeah, that's basically all I have for you in this video. So please consider liking this video, subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.